DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector boy.
Gang, 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 gang. You already know what time it is. Don't know that back in the lab. And you see what we are dealing with today. Today we're back with today we're back in the UK with one of our artists from the UK. As in they're none other than Central C. Yeah man, and he's featuring Lil Baby. You see me? And this one is called Band. Yeah, this one's called BAND4BAND. You see me? Go check it out. See where down them I deal with. You see me? I say, I don't know, Central C go hard, Lil Baby go hard. Lil Baby been quiet for a little minute. Surprised to see him doing feature with Central C. But hey, we here for it, gang. Yo, my UK family, if you're watching this, man, hit the like button and also drop requests for me to do, man. Drop some requests, drop some suggestions, drop some songs, man. Trying to get back over in my UK scene, react to some UK music. You see me? Yeah, man, I jump back. Jump back right now, track. I jump right now, track and see where Central C I do with Central C featuring Lil Baby, BAND4BAND. Euros out in Lamborghinis, nigga. Come on, Lamborghini gang. Euros gang. Driving Euros in UK, nigga.
I'm not in a mood cause my flight delayed. So I jumped on a private jet and I'm asking a pilot the ETA. Lambo.
Cloud, I'm not in the car, my flight delayed, nigga. So I jump on a private jet and I ask the pilot, yo, what's the ETA, nigga? Huh? What's the estimated time of arrival, nigga? Come on. Huh? I'm a private jet, talking to a pilot, bruv.
I'm not in a mood cause my flight delayed. So I jumped on a private jet and I'm asking a pilot the ETA. Lambo parked on a landing strip, everyone in my gang and my DJ.
Jeez, peace. You hear this young nigga? Lambo's parked on the landing strip. Everyone in my gang, my DJ
paid. Why is my man talking about inshallah? These times he don't even pray. Why is my man wearing a Jesus piece? How did she squeeze in them jeans? Big behind and petitest waist.
Ooh, come on. Central C be snapping, bro.
I'm wearing a Jesus piece. How did she squeeze in them jeans? Big behind and petitest waist. Take time with the GBG, we don't beef nobody like GBK. Woke up on the wrong side of bed, so he's gonna get slapped if I don't have my piece today. I love my young boy, I won't lead him straight.
Say, yo, woke up on the wrong side of my bed, so he's gonna get slapped if I don't got my piece today. Ooh, get it? Double.
Woke up on the wrong side of bed, so he's gonna get slapped if I don't have my piece today. I love my young boy, I won't lead him straight. I'm stuck to little bro like PVA. Paid already, I don't need no hit song. We don't need ID, little bro 17 in the club, he ain't scrolling TikTok.
Paid already, I don't need no hit song. 17 already get. Come on.
Paid already, I don't need no hit song. We don't need ID, little bro 17 in the club, he ain't scrolling TikTok. F's just saw him a thick one.
Man say little bro 17 in the club, he ain't scrolling no TikTok, nigga.
Which one? Who do you want, bro? Pick one. If I shoot my shot, I'll hit one. Matter of time till I get them all ticked off. Alright, we could go band for band. Fuck that, we can go M for M. Quarter mil for the mid.
Come on. That's fire. That's fire. Let's go band for band, nigga. Fuck that. We gonna go M for M, nigga. Fuck all that shit, nigga. Let's up the stakes in this bitch. Let's up the stake. We talking money, let's talk money for real then. We talking cash, let's talk cash for real then, nigga. You know what I'm saying? But yo, this shit sliding. Lil Baby sliding hard on that bitch, dog. I ain't even gonna lie to you. I like that shit. Let's get it.
Pick one. If I shoot my shot, I'll hit one. Matter of time till I get them all ticked off. Alright, we could go band for band. Fuck that, we can go M for M. Quarter mil for the Maybach truck. Double R with the factory rims. I got the 90, the years, the versions, the bribes, I'm really the threat. It's got
clap, the Lambo, the years, the bribes, I'm really a threat. Come on, bro.
We could go band for band. Fuck that, we can go M for M. Quarter mil for the Maybach truck. Double R with the factory rims. I got the 90, the years, the versions, the bribes, I'm really the threat. It's got to the point that I don't even care. I got jewels in the safe that I don't even wear. Bro, I do it for some shoes and some clothes. You'll see what it'll do for a necklace.
This is a collab. Central C, the baby, bro. This is crazy, nigga. The visuals, nigga. The visuals is crazy. The subject matter is crazy. The lyrics, the style is crazy. Is Central C bringing Lil Baby back? Is Lil Baby bringing Central C back? Are they bringing each other back? What's going on? Let's get it.
Right, sure, look like a spider is crawling $1 on just the accessories. She made me wanna go harder. I like a whole aura. I think I'm obsessed with her. They hit him up on his birthday, did him the worst way. He had a death wish. I get right under their skin. I don't even
said hit him up on his birthday. They did him the worst way. He had a death wish. God damn, nigga. Who was that, nigga?
try. I guess I can't help this shit. I'ma have love for bro for life. We talking, not I step with it. Of course you could beat me at talking. Ain't no back and forth until we catch up with them niggas. Knocking the bag and making the opposite mad. I done fell in love with it. You can't sell fish.
Come on.
Wish I get right under their skin, I don't even try. I guess I can't help this shit. I'ma have love for bro for life. We talking, not I step with it. Of course you could beat me at talking. Ain't no back and forth until we catch up with them niggas. Knocking the
bag. Of course
bag.
you can beat me and talking, nigga. Ain't no back and forth till we catch up with your ass, nigga.
And making the opposite mad, I done fell in love with it. You can't sell fish with a cute one. Make account look good, it's a new one. You the type like the type on computers. Got a mask, but he ain't no shooter. Top 10 when she don't act bougie.
Types you type on a computer, nigga. Got a mask, but you ain't no shooter, nigga.
Me and your friends, you can go to Aruba. Get friends, it depend on my mood. Maybe van, this ain't no who. We could go band for band. Fuck that, we can go M for M. Mama got a body.
Fire. Nigga, shout out Central C.
We could go band for band. Fuck that, we can go M for M. Mama got a body like Kim and them. Mama been killing that gym. We can go watch from chain to chain, the rings, I'm him. I done got rich, but I'm still with this shit, land in London and go to the ends. We could go band for band.
Yeah, I done go to the ends, nigga. Come on, let's get it.
Fuck that, we can go M for M. Water milk for the Maybach truck. Double R with the factory rims. I got the 90 the years, the version, the bribes, I'm really a threat. It's got to the point that I don't even care. I got jewels in the safe that I don't even wear.
Come on. Shit. It's crazy. It's crazy. Yeah, man. We gonna get up there, Don Mafia. We gonna get up there, Don Mafia. Let's say less. We gonna get off muscle reactions, nigga. Off the gang, off YouTube, nigga. You niggas out here. I got a Lamborghini, the 90 and really a threat. Come on. Talk to them. We can go band for band. Fuck that. We can go M for M. Nigga. Stop playing. Central C. The baby. They did their thing, man. Shout out to them boys. Shout out to them boys. You already know, gang. Drop your comments. UK. My UK family. Go ahead, drop the comments, drop requests, drop your suggestion, all that good stuff. Let me know what your favorite part, man. Let me know who you want me to react to next. And you gonna get your shout out. You already know what time. Boy Snap. Fuck with it. Definitely more Central C and Little Baby coming, gang. You already know what time it is. This boy Jambisco. Next time, you already know what time it is. Take care of yourself. You guys.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.